All right, my sister made me get up at 6 a.m. to go yard selling.
I thought about 5 a.m. because I had to.
Yeah, she's 45 minutes away. Anyway, first one is a bus. This is a subdivision yard sale. Hopefully they get better. All right, so that one had like no effort. She had everything in the boxes. Nothing was priced. And she was too busy talking to another lady to pay any attention to us. So, yeah. I can understand digging through boxes when you have way too much stuff, but she had barely anything and she still left it in boxes. So
do you want me to go straight or make a right? We might have to look at our Pokemon map to
let me look.
Okay.
I don't want to mess with it. So this guy was just basically giving everything away free. He did sell a couple items. Holly gave him $1 because she got a bag of like
plastic gemstones.
Plastic gemstones. Anyway, he had a box of like 50 magazines. And he's like, those are free if you want any. He said free. Just park right here. And I said, can I just take them all? And he looked at me like, I guess. So I took them all.
Also,
there are all these food and wine, like recipe. I love looking at recipes. And then this is the table scatter she got for $1. I made Holly buy this ice cream maker. It is the ice cream maker I have. The lady said she only used it once. It don't even look like it was used. $20. That is a $150 ice cream maker. I bought 10 DVDs. Holly got Funko for Haley, and then
and so this is for Haley. This is for resale.
And then $2. I got this. I'll do a video on it. It makes dessert items and a whole bunch of DVDs. So this is I almost bought it for myself, but mine still works. This is the exact model I have. I know it's at least 150 because I looked it up for my nail lady this week, and it has everything, including. So yeah, Holly's like, I don't think she really wanted it, but I made her buy it. I'm like, who doesn't want ice cream? It's summer. I'm gonna teach her how to make ice cream. All right, Holly's gonna watch out for balloons.
So do you want me to go straight or you want me to go that way?
I think you should go to the right. I don't know. I think I cut. Yeah, go. I don't know. There's a rabbit running across.
Let's push that way. So we've not been down this road.
Okay, so we shouldn't have went this way. All right, I really wasn't being crabby with her. I was just trying to tell a story, and she's driving. So anyway, the first house was an older guy selling a whole bunch of records, and everyone was looking at the records. And I'm like, oh, do you have any Rush? And he's like, oh, I don't really like them, but I sell on Facebook Marketplace, and they always sell immediately, so no, I don't have any Rush. And then that kitchen item I bought, he didn't have it marked. I said, well, how much do you want for it? He goes, well, it goes for a pretty penny. I'm just looking at him like, oh my God. And he's like, $2. I'm like, if you can sell it for a pretty penny, why are you letting me have it for $2? But it's fine. I'm very happy with it. All right, we're both buying a bunch of stuff. So at this point, I'm just going to show everything at the end. You can definitely tell these people are not professional, like yard sellers. Like this may be the first time they've ever had a yard sale, but it's interesting. I like it. All right, we're going into Target. So the yard sale, it only took us an hour and a half. There definitely wasn't as many as we expected, but we did get a bunch of stuff. We're just killing time because there's an estate sale that starts at 9 and it's 8:30. So when we get back to the car, when I get back home, I'll show everything I bought. I told Holly when we went, I'm not buying anything. I'm just going to keep her company. I'm pretty sure I spent way more money than she did. Holly's getting ready to leave, so I just wanted to show her stuff real quick. This was a shirt I made her buy at the estate sale for $1. She can turn around and sell it for $30. This is a plush she paid $1 for. And then these books, just random stuff. She likes the vintage style stuff. Is this for keep or for sale?
Yeah, the only thing in here that's keeping is this for Haley. Everything else is for resale.
Y'all remember the cool crystal ring holders. And then she got the little carnival prize.
Well, I'm keeping that. But
Oh, it's a cat. Maybe I'm keeping it. No, it's fine. It's fine. And then I'll show my stuff inside. Oh, and this is the ice cream maker I made her buy. So not tons of stuff, but pretty good. I bought way more than I was expecting. As I mentioned, these were all free. I got this pumpkin cake pan. That's vintage. I got this just because I remember using these when I was a kid. These pencils, I don't know, looked unique. Got these stack of DVDs. These were only $1 each. This pencil sharpener just to go in my husband's tiki cabinet because I thought it looked cute. This hockey puck bottle opener that was from the estate sale. This was my favorite find, a blow mold from Busch Gardens. I think she only charged me 50 cents for that. Disney stuff, Disney Cruise Line mug. That stuff's for resale. All this stuff I bought just for resale. I got this book just because my husband's name is Robert and I thought that was hilarious. This is from 1983. So the baking stuff is mine. I'm keeping it for now. I might resell it. Sometimes baking pans sell. And then my sister gave me this stuff from her last estate sale, and I was like, this is so small. I didn't quite understand what it was for. So the lady that I bought this from, she also had another one, and I asked her, and she uses it as a Jell-O mold. I'm like, okay. So I got another one of those, and then I got, you know, this angel. What do you call it? What is that cake called? What's it called, Danny? Angel cake? Is it just called angel cake? Angel sponge cake? Whatever. Got that pan. And then I don't remember how much I paid for that. I spent like $40 altogether. My money went by quickly. And then these were the filler I was talking about. And then this is, let me take this out of the bag so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, it has 3 molds. So you screw it in. I don't know how that one would work. I've seen people use this one. So you screw it in, and then you have a pan of boiling oil, and then you have a pan of like, what's it called? What are those? Funnel cake batter. And then you just dip that in the batter, and then you dip it in the oil for like 2 seconds, and it pops off of the mold, and it cooks in the oil, and then you like take it out and drain it, and then put like powdered sugar or stuff on it. So I have seen this. Oh my God, they have all kinds of shelves. I've seen like Mexican ladies do this, and then they sprinkle it with like honey or something, the treat afterwards, which is basically just a funnel cake. I keep seeing people making them on TikTok. So I didn't realize there was also like an American version, because this was made in Linens, Illinois. So I will give it a try. I will actually use it. This is the one where the guy told me when I bought it, and it wasn't priced. He's like, well, I can get a pretty penny from that, but you can have it for $2. I'm like, okay, thank you. I mean, they're not that heavy duty, but okay. Look at all these, hold on. Look at all these different shapes. That shell shape is neat. I mainly see the TikTok ladies doing the floral one. Cannot think of the name. They have a name. The Spanish treat has a name. What is it called here? It's just a rosette mold. Grandma McKay's special recipe. Make approximately 200 to 25. 2 cups cold water, cornstarch, eggs, flour, sugar, vanilla. So a basic funnel cake recipe. She's just calling it rosettes. Anyway, that's what we got today. My sister is really into the whole yard selling lately, so I'm sure she'll drag me on more, and I'll probably go. I was only going to buy if I saw Disney stuff, but as you can see, that didn't last long. Did I mention I got a stack of DVDs, $1 each? I'll show you the best one. I got Peter Pan, The Wedding Singer, Enchanted. Oh, it has a scrape on Kim Possible. Cars, Aristocats, Sleeping Beauty. I already have this. This is what I love. The Waterboy. I have seen this 100 times at least. Tangled, and then 101 Dalmatians.